upright, solid.
Look at Buddy.
I ain't even got a tip on it.
It's so cute.
Here, Bubby, come up here.
Watch Daddy, Mike.
Let me see.
No, sweetie. No.
They don't believe in chalk in this place? You gotta have chalk. You ruin a stick.
Daddy.
No chalk.
Daddy.
Alright, stand back for a minute.
Somebody's there. Don't make too noise.
I won't do it, Mark. Look. Look. Watch Mike.
Can we do it?
Yeah, now you gotta try and make a ball in. Look.
Why don't you don't make
No,
them
not with your hands. See with the stick. Look, I see that 7 ball right there. Watch.
Hey, there's a diamond one. Hey, it's a diamond one, Daddy. It's a diamond one.
I don't want it to roll that hard, but since
It's a diamond one.
Sissy.
with your hands, don't play with your hands.
Mike?
Only with a stick. That's the challenge of it.
Hey, it's a diamond one.
Wow. That's a different thing. See, this is 8 ball.
Let's see if you can do that, Daddy.
Get the stick out of the hole, please. You can't shoot it in with the stick. Got a ball.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for it. It's supposed to come in on Thursday, but it definitely didn't come in time.
Oh, I get it. Did they just think that cold?
Yeah.
Thank you. Look with your hands. With the stick. Look.
Look at him.
Watch that ball right there.
Wee.
No, not with your hands.
Buddy. You climbing?
Watch this ball right here. No. That ball right there, over there. Watch
Look at
this.
Mikey. It's so funny.
Close.
Hey, you knocked this white ball
Are we
into
bugging you?
No, you're good.
Okay.
I just normally have my office closed, so not a big deal.
Okay.
Hey, Mommy, where's my stick?
Here, would you guys?
Oh, here it
You
is.
need a small stick.
That's too big for you, Buddy.
Mommy, I can just use it.
Shoot it like this. Let me show you, Bubby. Come here.
Okay.
Let me use this one.
It will get small?
It's a 2-piece.
Oh, that's cute.
Alright, now shoot. Try and shoot that ball all the way down here in that corner pocket.
Shoot it, Sissy.
Look, together. Look, this is how
Do you
people
want
would
to
look
play?
at it. See,
Yeah?
I did that to try and knock it down there. That's
Look at that,
exactly
buddy.
what I did
You're
with
good.
this ball.
You're good, Buddy.
Mommy, you want to do it?
I'll do it. You get a stick.
It's so cute. Look at him.
Mommy.
Hit it, buddy.
A white ball.
Hit it, Buddy.
I
Yeah,
did it.
you did it, sweetheart.
Show you something.
You did it. You did it, Daddy.
Come here, Bubby. Come here. Go like this. This is called a bridge. Look. Come here. This hand here. Let me see this hand. Now do your fingers like this. Like this. Like a man standing there. See, that holds the stick straight.
Do it,
Now
Sissy.
watch.
Wow, Buddy did it.
Now come over here. This. Let me get it. Carry your stick.
Daddy,
Hold on. No, come here.
Daddy, you want to put it to the green one?
Right here. This one. It's close. You can make this one.
But Daddy, the green's close.
Look, this time you're gonna make a circle like this. Look. circle like this. Or maybe we just make a bridge. Look, put that thumb up against that like that. You're gonna let it slide on there like that.
Do the orange one.
There you go.
I did it.
You did it, my love.
Mommy,